Chapter 4. Sorting materials into groups. Objects around us. You see a large number of things around you. Some of the common things that you see in your classroom are desks, chairs, teacher's table, blackboard, doors, fans, water bottles and pencil box. You see things like toys, mobiles, gloves, clothes, shoes and many other objects in your home. All these things are of different shapes, sizes and colors. They are made from different materials and have different uses. In order to understand the things around us, it is necessary to classify them into groups. Material. A substance or a thing which is used in the making of different objects is called material. All the objects are made of one or more kinds of material. For example, a chair is made of wood, so wood is a material. A spoon is made of steel, so steel is a material. Some more examples of materials are cotton, silk, coal, iron, plastic, and glass. Materials are generally of two types: natural materials and man-made materials. For example, wood is obtained from nature, so wood is a natural material. Plastic is made in factories, so it is a man-made material. An object made of different materials. The same object may be made of different materials. For example, a plate is an object that is used in our daily life. A plate may be made of different materials like plastic, glass, stainless steel, brass, and silver. Different types of objects made of same material. Plastic is a material. It can be used to make different kinds of objects. For example, it can be used to make objects like toys, utensils, bags, mugs, tumblers, buckets, and toothbrushes. Properties of materials. We use metals like steel or aluminium to make utensils for cooking purposes, but we will never use paper for making such utensils because paper utensils will catch fire when placed on the burner or gas stove. Hence, we choose a material to make an object depending on its properties and the purpose for which the object is to be used. In this context, let us read about some important properties of materials. Appearance. Materials usually look different from each other. Sand looks very different from wood. Wood appears quite different from plastic. Plastic looks different from aluminium. Aluminium looks different from cotton. At the same time, there are some similarities between sand, wood, plastic, and cotton that are not there in aluminium. The property of a material with a shining surface is called luster, chamak. Materials like iron, copper, and aluminium, which have luster, shining surface, are called lustrous materials. Materials like paper, wood, plastic, and cotton, which do not have luster, are called non-lustrous materials. Activity 5. To separate shiny materials from a group of materials. Things needed: wood piece, copper wire, piece of cotton, paper, iron rod, rubber, aluminium rod, and sandpaper. Method: rub the surface of each material with sandpaper. Observe each material, whether shining or not shining. Separate the shining material from the non-shining material. Observation: the surfaces of materials like iron rod, aluminium and copper wire are shining. Surface of materials like wood piece, paper piece and cotton are not shining.